Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize Wix login and sign up forms. So let's get started. So in order to do that, you first need to have a members area on your Wix website. So in order to add that, click on this plus icon right here in order to add elements. Now from in there, you should just scroll down on the add elements page and then look for the members area. So in the off chance that you don't have it like I do, just click on the search bar right here, then search in here for member. Now once you search for member right here, you can see this Wix members area. So open that and then integrate the specific application to your website. So in order to integrate it, the Wix app market will open and then this will load the specific app. Just click on this app, the site right here. This is just free to install. So just wait for this right here to finish adding the members area on your specific website. Now that it's been added, just click on this plus icon again. And then when you scroll down, you should be able to see the members in here. But if the options they can see it, we'll be able to just see it on the app market right here since it's already been integrated. Now let's open the pages and menu, and in here you can see the Wix members area. We have here the member page. So let's see what it looks like right here. So on the members area right here, you will be able to see this one, just the account. This is the actual profile, the login email, the first name, last name, the full, and update info right here. Now let's open our pages again. And then in here, we can also add a little bit more. So you can add a member page for the private members. So we can choose to add the specific add member page. And then once you have done that, this will add another private membership. So in that way, they need to log in first before they actually show up on this specific page. So let's try to edit this. You can click on the settings right here in order to action edit that. You can also see the layout, permissions in here. As you can see, it's members only. The SEO basics, social sharing, all of that. So let's see what it looks like right here. So this is what it looks like. You can start designing this section in order to add elements. So let's click on this add elements page. And then in here, let's just scroll down and then search in here for login. So in here, let's click on this one and then search in here for login. Then once you have searched for that, you will be able to see this login sites right here, this comments, and all of this right here. So in here, you can just head over and click on this login bar right here, and this can help gives visitor instant access to their account within your site. So let's put this one right here, and then you can add this as your site. So this is what it looks like, and just drag it right here. And this what your login bar. So just click on this setup right here. And then you can put in your avatar, your name, your initials, and all of that. So we can also choose this member sign up settings. You can use a new member sign up or existing member sign up. So you can also have this additional sign up and no settings. So click on that one. And then from in there, you should be able to be loaded to this specific page. So in here, you can see the settings for this one. So what you can do for this we can just wait for this right now. So in here, you can see this, everyone can sign up or the people I manually approve. And all of this, as you ever can turn your email, so we need to turn that on. Then you can also add a recap to sign up, or you can also add your captcha to login. That all depends on you. After that, just click on save, and then this will be saved on your progress. Now let's see what it looks like on the preview. So once we have opened the preview right here, this is what it looks like soon. So as you can see right now, I have logged in, and we'll have here private member page and also light up from in here. And once you log out, you should be able to sign up to Google or Facebook on your login area. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to customize so we sign up and login area. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.